So windy na. More people in the yard pick up the branches. This is the lot work of the people pick up the branches. Still have little flood over here. I'm so lucky because power is not lost and not flooded. So windy, so very windy. What kind of flag is that? Why like that? It is not an American flag. What kind of flag that? I don't know what kind of flag that. Look like have a party in the clubhouse. Noisy man have. Oh? Ano? Have ano ba? Food truck in the clubhouse. I think every Saturday is sitting there selling fries and burger. I think like that. Stop sign, that is look new. New stop sign, guys. Because sometimes the corner stop sign is broken. We back home na, guys. 10 MP limit, guys. 10 mile per hour if you drive the street. Amazon Pedix, slow down. Grandparent at play. So very windy, guys.
Hi, how you doing?
I think they clean up some yard because they bring people here is very is very hardworking because even older is still working. Even older, even retired people is still working na. I think not enough the pension get, so that's why I need to work, still working. Look like Halloween na. Some people make a decoration to the yard, Halloween decoration. It's Halloween time. I think Cynthia is not her house. I never saw it. I'm sure naman get out and pick up some branches to your yard, but nothing. Mingkai! 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 Hi! Mingkai! The neighbor, guys, outdoor car, inside an outdoor car. Hi guys, I have a blue passport now, guys. Look at that. Hello, guys. We order passport book and the card, guys, but the card is not yet here because we need to scan this in the back, and then after you scan this, wait for 4 weeks for the card, but the passport only 2 weeks. Ready to fly na. Fly na si Beybs kasi may passport na, guys. I'm happy, guys, because I have a blue passport now, US passport. Yeah, we got my US passport now, guys. Yeah, this is my passport, guys. After 2 weeks, guys. But we order passport and passport book and the card, but only they sent passport. The card is not here. I don't know, maybe they forgot. We pay extra that day. Guy, ready to fly na guy. United States of America passport. Blue passport na si Bibs guy. May video pala na running.